The Lian Lancool 207 is positioned as a budget-friendly ATX gaming case that focuses on giving builders a practical foundation without unnecessary complexity. Designed as a mid-tower, it offers compatibility with ATX motherboards up to 240 form wide, while also supporting micro ATX and mini ATX boards, making it suitable for a wide variety of system configurations. That flexibility is especially valuable for anyone upgrading an existing PC or planning a completely new build, since it allows different motherboard sizes without limiting future options. One of the biggest advantages of a mid-tower design is that it strikes a balance between size and usability. It provides enough internal space for mainstream gaming systems while remaining easier to place on or under a desk than a larger full tower. For many users, this makes it a practical choice that avoids taking up unnecessary room while still supporting standard desktop hardware. The broad motherboard compatibility also means this case can appeal to different types of builders. Those assembling a full ATX gaming system can take advantage of the larger layout, while users building a more compact micro ATX or mini ATX machine can still use the same chassis without feeling restricted. That kind of flexibility helps extend the useful life of the case if hardware plans change over time. Support for graphics card installation is another important consideration in a gaming case, and the available product information confirms dedicated graphics card clearance support. While the exact supported length is not specified here, the inclusion of graphics card compatibility indicates that the case is designed with gaming-focused hardware in mind rather than basic office systems. As a budget-oriented option, the Lancool 207 is likely to appeal most to builders who want a dependable ATX case that prioritizes compatibility and straightforward system assembly instead of premium extras. Rather than paying for features they may never use, buyers can focus their budget on performance components such as the processor or graphics card, while still choosing a chassis built around standard gaming hardware. Based only on the available information, the Lian Lancool 207 stands out for delivering a versatile mid-tower layout with support for multiple motherboard form factors, making it a sensible choice for entry-level and mainstream gaming PC builders who want flexibility without moving into a more expensive case category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.